Chapter 17. Reading Maps. Let's learn components of a map, scale, symbols, colors, distance. As Apurv and his father were on their way to the market, a stranger came up to them to ask directions to the Janpat market near Connaught Place, New Delhi. Apurv's father instructed the stranger to walk down straight and take the left turn from the traffic signal. Apurv's father could give clear directions as he knew the area well. He took the help of some landmarks like the traffic signal, post office, park and cinema hall, and also had a clear knowledge of the direction. If we really know the details of an area, we can guide ourselves and others to the needed place easily. A map is a pictorial representation of the layout of a city, colony, state or country on paper. The entire world can also be shown on a map. Components of a map. A map has certain components that help us in understanding it. These components are called the language of a map. These are scale, distance, direction, colors and symbols. Key. Scale. A scale of a map helps us to calculate the distance between 2 points on the ground. The scale 2 cm to 1 km means 2 cm on the paper is actually 1 km on the ground. A small scale map like the map of India shows a larger area but with less detail, whereas a city map is a large scale map because it shows more detail as compared to the map of India. Distance. Distance in straight lines on a map can be measured by a ruler. If the ruler shows the distance to be 2 cm on the map, then the actual distance will be 2 km if the scale is 1 cm to 1 km. If the line is curved, then use a string along the line. Place one end of the string at the start of one point and the other at the end of the other point. Then place the string on the ruler to find out the distance. If it is 4 cm, then the distance measured is 4 km. Direction. Direction is shown on a map by a north line. A short line perpendicular to this line shows east on the right side and west on the left side. Info-Hype. Legend is the word on a map explaining the symbols used. Symbols. Symbols are important guides to read a map. They give us a lot of information. If we can identify the symbol, then map reading becomes easier. City maps use symbols to make map reading easier. Colors. Certain colors are used to show various physical features such as seas, oceans, mountains, plains, deserts, etc. Water bodies are always shown in blue, though the shade of blue may vary with depth. Similarly, plains are always green, mountains generally brown, and deserts are yellow. Key. A key is an explanatory list of symbols used in a map. Info-Hype. Professionals like scholars, scientists, and researchers use different maps for their work. Recap. A map has certain components which help us in understanding it. A scale of a map helps us to calculate the distance between 2 points on the ground. Distance in straight lines on a map can be measured by a ruler. Symbols are important guides to read a map. Water bodies are always shown in blue, though the blue color may vary with the depth of water.